So dear students, in the earlier video we discussed about the homogeneous mixture, and in this video we are going to discuss about the heterogeneous mixture. And of course, heterogeneous mixture are example hol suspension and colloid. So first we will discuss about the suspension. Suspension are the common example hol mixture of chalk powder and water. So tumi jodi a glass pani loa and then added little amount of chalk powder in it and then left them undisturbed for a while. All of pisot dekhiba je ki hoise the chalk powder is getting settled down the water. So here you can see the boundary of separation with the naked eyes. So enekwa dhৰণৰ mixture ke ami suspension বুলি কও. Suspension or আৰু এটা example হল আমি যদি এক গ্লাস পানী যদি আমি কিছু পৰিমাণে যদি আমি ink যদি add কৰো সেইটো এটা suspension হৈ যায়. Now if you are asked to write the properties of suspension, first we can write suspension is a heterogeneous mixture, and secondly we can write যেহেতু আমি suspension or chalk powder or water to আমি দেখিব পাৰিছো, so we can write the particles of the suspension can be seen with the naked eyes, and thirdly আমি দেখিছো যে the chalk powder গুড়াটো মানে কি হয় তলত নামি গৈছে পানীৰ, so we can write particles settle down when left undisturbed. And lastly, if we perform an experiment in it, we can see like jodi eta suspension or solution eta loi pine tar majedi ami jodi eta light but torch maro, we can see the part of the light passing through it, so we can write the particle of the suspension scatter the beam of light passing through it, so the part of the light is visible. So this was all about the suspension and its properties, and next we will discuss about the colloidal solution. So to make it clear, let's take an example of milk. So apunlage gakhirtu ki boli bhabe? Is it completely white or it appears white for something? What do you think? Actually, milk is not white, but it appears white because of a kind of particles that is mixed in it. Aro hetu particular name for which the milk appears white is casein. Actually, casein is a type of protein present in the milk. These caseins are too small in size and they are uniformly spread throughout the solution, for which a milk appears white. Basically, milk bilak it looks like a homogeneous, but literally it is heterogeneous mixture. So it is to mark colloidal solution or properties likhibo die. We can write first colloidal solutions are heterogeneous mixture. So ami hokole kom paiso colloidal solution eta heterogeneous mixture hoy. And secondly, we can write particles are too small in size and can't be seen with the naked eyes. Third, we can write the particle of the colloidal solution they scatter the beam of light passing through it. Mane jodi ami colloidal solution majori ki eta jodi light pass koru, they scatter the light, so the part of the light is visible to us. And lastly, we can write jehetu ami suspension dekhisu je the particles they settle down the water, but here in case of the colloidal solution the particles do not settle down. So this was all about the colloidal solution and its properties. So we have come across the word scattering of light many atoms. Suspension scatter light, colloidal solution scatter light. So what is this scattering of light? So scattering of light ami bohoto phenomena observe korisu, like আমি বেসিক্যালি যদি ঘৰত যদি তেৰিকে হয়তো এটা আমি দেখো যে যদি ৰটো ওলাই যাৰ ঘৰ নেকি টিং অলপ ফুটা আছে বা যাৰ অলপ বেৰা ফুটা আছে সেটাৰ মানে কি হয় বেৰা বা টিঙৰ ফুটাই দি মানে লাইট পাস হয় আহে আৰু মানে ডাইৰেক্ট মাটিত পৰে মানে তললৈকে যায়, আৰু আমি সেই যিটো নেকি লাইটটো পৰে আমি তাতে মানে কি হয় দেখা পাওঁ যে লাইটৰ আমি পাথটো দেখা পাওঁ, মানে ৰাস্তাটো দেখা পাওঁ, আৰু সেই ৰাস্তাত আমি দেখা পাওঁ যে কিছুমান পাৰ্টিকল মানে উৰি আছে, আমি কিছুমানে ধৰিব খোজো বা ধৰিব নোৱাৰো, আসলতে সেইবিলাক পাৰ্টিকল হয় যিটো নেকি এয়াৰ থাকে, for which the scattering of light take place. So up to now আমি যিমান ডিসকাস কৰিলো সকলো কি হয় মিক্সাৰ হয় বা impure substances. So is there anything to be called a pure substance? Generally, pure substances are elements and compound. So first আমি জানিম যে element কি হয়. So elements are the basic form of matter jitu imane khoru jak we cannot divide it into any simpler substances by any chemical process. So now we will discuss some characteristics of elements, like first property, elements have the luster, it means they shine, And secondly, we have they conduct electricity. And third, they are ductile, means they can be drawn into thin wires. And fourth, we have metals are elements are malleable. It means that can be drawn into thin sheets. And last, we have they are sonorous. It means when they strike another surface, elements produce sound. Some example of elements you are like hydrogen, gold, silver, etc. So now let's come to the compound. Generally, compounds are formed when two or more elements combine together in a fixed ratio. For example, water, salt, sugar are the example of compounds. So this was all about the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, pure substances and impure substances. So যদি কোনোবা আহিছা, then subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the notification as soon I upload the videos. So আজিলৈ ইমানেই. Thank you guys.